Hi everyone, having trouble with your Ultra Mobile hotspot? Don't worry, in this video, we will walk you through simple steps to get your hotspot up and running again. Let's fix it together. Why Ultra Mobile hotspot not working? Network settings. The device's network settings may be misconfigured, preventing a successful connection. Account issues. There may be an issue with the account, such as an unpaid bill, mobile hotspot option disabled. The mobile hotspot or a Wi Fi zone feature may be turned off in the device's settings. Data limit reached. You may have exceeded your daily or monthly data limit for sharing, which can disable hotspot functionality. Weak mobile data signal. Insufficient mobile data signal strength can hinder the hotspot from functioning properly. Fix 1. Check hotspot settings. Check your plan included have a mobile hotspot enabled on your phone. Sometimes the hotspot disabled automatically if mobile is inactive for a long period of time. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to hotspot and tethering, turn off or on hotspot tethering. On Windows, open settings, go to internet sharing, turn on sharing on. On iOS, go to settings, then personal hotspot, turn off or on, allow others to join. Fix 2. Check mobile data. Mobile data may be disabled in the source phone. For Android, swiping down from the top of the screen to open the notification shade, tapping the mobile data icon to turn it on or off. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap the cellular data icon to quickly toggle it on or off. Fix 3. Reconfigure the Wi-Fi connection. There might be issue with the Wi-Fi signal. Reconfiguring the Wi-Fi connection will fix the issue. For Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then go to Wi-Fi. Tap the menu icon next to the hotspot you want to forget. Select forget to remove the saved hotspot network. To reconnect, select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the password if prompted. Your Android device will connect to the hotspot. For iOS, go to settings, then Wi Fi. Tap the information icon next to the hotspot you want to forget. Select Forget this network. Confirm you want to forget the network. To reconnect, select the hotspot SSID from the list and enter the password if prompted. Your iPhone or iPad will connect to the hotspot. Fix 4. More devices sharing the data. Data will be slow if you connect more devices to the hotspot. Check the number devices connected to the network and remove unwanted one. For Android, open the settings app, go to network and internet, then go to hotspot tethering, tap on Wi-Fi hotspot connected devices, remove extra devices. On iOS, go to settings, then personal hotspot, look for the connect to this iPhone or iPad over this number of connected devices will be shown next to Wi Fi and USB. Remove the unwanted devices and check again. Try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the software that may affect connectivity. iOS restart, press and hold either the volume button and the slide button, iPhone X and later, or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until the power off slider appears. Then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turn off, press and hold the side button on iPhone X and later or the top button on iPhone 8 and earlier until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Update APN settings manually. For iOS devices, go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data, enable LTE and the APN with the following details. Cellular data APN wholesale, MMS APN service, MMSC http wholesale.mms/mvno.com/mms slash webenc, MMS max message size 1048576 and MMS UA proof URL http www.apple.com/mms/uaproof.rdf. Leave the remaining fields empty. For Android, go to settings, then internet and connection, then go to mobile network, access point name, tab 3 dot menu at the top right corner. Select add, enter the following details. Name Ultra, APN Wholesale, MMSC, http wholesale.mms.mvno.com MMS/WAP-ENC, Multimedia Message Port 8080, MCC and MNC do not change default values. APN type default supple MMS IA, APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6, APN roaming protocol IPv4 or IPv6. MVNO type GID and MVNO value do not change default values. Leave the remaining field blank. Fix 7. Check ultra mobile data usage. Your hotspot data might have reached the limit. Data limits. Ultra Mobile's unlimited plan allows 10 GB of high speed data for mobile hotspot usage, while the Unlimited Plus plan offers 20 GB. Exceeding these limits may result in reduced speeds. Usage monitoring. Be mindful that all data activity, including undownloaded images, count towards your overall data usage, so regularly check your consumption to avoid throttling. Log into Ultra Mobile app or a website. You can also navigate to dashboard at the bottom of the screen where you can see amount of data or a call left. If necessary, click plus sign to add extras or click renew now or change plan to recharge your plan.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.